Pain is something we all experience from time to time, whether it's physical discomfort or emotional distress. But what if I told you that you have the ability to alleviate this pain through the simple practice of affirmations and harnessing the law of assumption? In today's video, we'll explore how you can transform your experience of pain and find solace within yourself. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a dose of positivity from us. Now, let's start by understanding what affirmations are. Affirmations are positive statements that, when repeated consistently, can help reshape your thoughts, beliefs, and ultimately, your reality. For pain relief, it's essential to create affirmations that focus on healing and wellness. Here are a few examples. I am pain-free and full of vitality. My body is a source of strength and healing. Every day, in every way, I am getting better and better. Repeat these affirmations daily, with conviction and belief. Visualize yourself living a pain-free life as you say them. Now, let's explore the law of assumption. This law suggests that if you assume a particular state or belief, your subconscious mind will accept it as true, and it will manifest in your life. Imagine yourself free from pain, feeling the joy and vitality that comes with it. Live in that assumption. Feel it in your body. See it in your mind's eye. The more vividly you can assume this state, the more powerful the effect will be. Your subconscious mind is a powerful force that can bring about significant changes when aligned with your desires. To effectively use affirmations and the law of assumption for pain relief, follow these steps. 1. Identify the pain. Be specific about the pain you're experiencing. Is it physical or emotional? Where is it located? 2. Create positive affirmations. Craft affirmations that directly counteract the pain. Use present tense and positive language. For instance, if you're experiencing physical pain in your back, you might say, "My back is strong, flexible, and pain-free." 3. Repetition and belief. Repeat your affirmations daily with belief and conviction. Visualize yourself pain-free as you recite them. Now, let's practice together. Find a quiet, comfortable space, and take a deep breath. Close your eyes and repeat this affirmation with me. I am pain-free and full of vitality. I am pain-free and full of vitality. I am pain-free and full of vitality. As you repeat this affirmation, imagine your body healing and the pain dissipating. Visualize yourself full of energy and vitality. Let's continue this practice for 1 minute. Focus on the affirmation and the positive sensations it brings. I release all tension and discomfort from my body. I release all tension and discomfort from my body. I release all tension and discomfort from my body. With each breath, I am letting go of pain and embracing comfort. With each breath, I am letting go of pain and embracing comfort. With each breath, I am letting go of pain and embracing comfort. I am grateful for my body's resilience and strength. I am grateful for my body's resilience and strength. I am grateful for my body's resilience and strength. Every day, in every way, I am getting better and better. Every day, in every way, I am getting better and better. Every day, in every way, I am getting better and better. Congratulations, you've taken a significant step towards relieving pain through the power of affirmations and the law of assumption. Remember that consistency and belief are key. Thank you for joining us on this journey today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more daily drops of heaven. Until next time, may your life be filled with peace, positivity, and healing.